Pythagorean theorem states that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C must be the longest side, the hypotenuse. So I'm going to mark C for the hypotenuse. That's away from 90. And in AB and BA, that order doesn't really matter. It's just one of the sides. Okay, so two cases of the Pythagorean theorem type of problem. Number one, you are looking for the C value. So I can give you numbers like 3 and 4. And then if you apply that to the formula, we're going to go a squared plus b squared. And you're looking for the C. 9 plus 16, that's 25. But remember, that's C squared. Therefore, C is going to be root 25. And that is going to be 5. I am just considering the positive value because it is the length value. Okay, case number 2 is where you do have the C value given to you this time. So say you have 13 for that one, and then you have the B value, 5, but you don't know one of the shorter sides. So once again, C squared, A squared, B squared, but notice that I have 13 squared and then 5 squared, and we're looking for that's the unknown, a squared, sorry, and then b squared is 5 squared. That's 169, and that's a squared plus 25. Let's do some algebra. Subtract 25. 144 is a squared. So we're going to take the square root. Once again, I'm just going to consider the positive side because it is the length value. So therefore, that is 12.